Okay, question 25. The rectangle frame is made from 5 straight pieces of metal. You got 5, 12. This must also be 5 meters, and this must be 12 meters. And we don't know this yet. The weight of the metal is 1.5 kilograms per meter. Work at the total weight of the metal in the frame. So what we have is we have the perimeter, which is all this along here, and plus we have this side, which we don't know. What we do know is this is a right angle triangle. So we're being given two sides. So what we can state straight away, this is going to be a Pythagoras problem where we're going to find the longest side. In order to find the longest side of a right angle triangle, we'll get the two shorter sides, we square them, add them together, and then square root them to get the longest side. So let's start with calling this x and say that x squared is equal to 5 squared plus 12 squared. I know 5 squared is 25 and 12 squared, you should know, is 144, and if I add those together I'll get 169, which is also a square number. Teacher should have noted that out to you, that 169 is the square of 13. So x must equal 13 meters. So now we know this length is 13 meters. What we can do now is we can get sum of all the 5 metal straight pieces, which will be the 12 and 12, because they're opposite, so they're the same. These are opposite each other, so it's 5 add the 5, and then we've got this diagonal rod, which is 13. The total length of these 5 metal pieces is going to equal to, well, that's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 47 meters. That's the total length. So you're securing quite a few marks at the moment. It's a 5-marker question. I'd imagine you would get at least 2 marks here and definitely get 1 mark here, so that's 3 marks already. The last 2 marks will come from multiplying 1.5 by 47. So the question will be 1.5 times 47 to get to convert the meters into weight, because we know that each meter weighs 1.5 kilogram. So the easiest way to do 1.5 times 47 is I will times it by 10. Okay, times it by 1, which gives you 47. Then half of 47, well, half of 40 is 20, and half of 7 is 3.5. That will be the easiest way to do this calculation. 1.5, you do 47 times 1, then 47 times a half. Half of 47, well, you can do it in 2 goes here, 2 processes. You could half the 40, which makes 20, and half the 7, which is 3.5. And if we add all these together, we'll get 5 there, number bonds, 3 and 7 is 10, and 4 add the 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So the total weight of the frame is going to be 70.5 kilograms. And that's where you will get your additional 2 marks.